Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a collaboration with New Craft Day, and I will link the information down below to their site. Now, they reached out to me. They are a crafty company online that sell a number of different supplies for diamond painting, cross stitching, and I actually really have enjoyed their products so much. And these are unbelievably adorable things that they have here. So I gotta show you these super cute. Oh my goodness. I don't know what it is lately. I am in love with gnomes. And these are Christmas gnomes. So you can see what cute little projects these are. They are just so fun. They are absolutely adorable, and they actually have, oh, this one does not. Other ones that I have ordered have had them on both sides, and these ones are plain on the back, which is fine, but they have all different things they're holding in their hands. So this one here is holding a little bell, a Christmas ornament, a Christmas tree, a little sack, a little Christmas sack for Santa. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. What does this one have? This one's holding holly. This one's holding a stocking. This one's holding a gift wrapped present with a pretty bow. Oh, there's so many. This one is holding, might be like it's a jar or candle. It's got a little bow on it. Oh, this one's got a Christmas tree. So it's bigger, wider than the other one. Oh, and this one has a snowman. These are so fun. How many do you get in this set here? So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is so cute. And they all make little ornaments. Now, I have to tell you, I absolutely have loved these little diamond painting projects like this. My kids will have like their friend over and they'll be like, oh, can we do a crafty activity? And you know, because I'm always crafting, I have lots of supplies and things that I can do. But this little project is so simple because I just give each of them a little set to put their diamonds, or their diamond drills in. So you put your color in this that you're working with, and then you just use this pen and this product right here. You push into this, it picks it up inside here and it makes it sticky so that you can pick up the diamonds. And then if you need to do other refills, you've got it right there. It actually lasts for quite a long time. Anyway, so I would just give each of them this and their drills, and they would create, and sometimes they would follow the patterns that the design has laid out, and sometimes they would vary and go off on their own. What I've found is, in my experience, these seem to have more drills than you need for each color. And look at how many colors you get in this one here. So we've got like a clear silver, red, white, green. I'm not really sure what this color is. It's got a little bit of a blue tint to it. This is like a brownish black. It's more brown, I think. Ooh, pink. But not like a true pink. It's got a little bit of a, it's not like a bright pink or a pastel pink. It's kind of light. It's not showing up necessarily very well on camera here as it does in real life. Got yellow, black, and then turquoise. And so they do have smaller amounts. Like you can tell, like this turquoise is a smaller amount than like red, for example, which is one of the primary colors that you can see as a constant theme throughout. So I think they generally try to give you the number of drills needed for all of the projects here. But like I said, my kids have gone with their friends and created their own designs, and we still have lots left over. So that's great. And then additionally, I love this. This is just like a way to make a fun little keychain. You guys, I am going to be doing Crafting Christmas Day with Rowan Tree, which is a wonderful local organization my friends started to provide meaningful activities and sense of community for those who are in the community as adults with autism. And I was going to make some cards with them. I think this would be an amazing activity to do with them as well. They could come away with their own little keychains. So that actually might be super fun to do, because it's just such a relaxing, enjoyable activity. It's very simple. You can vary your the way that you do it, even like with the different colors and stuff. So it's something to think about. If not with this set, it's definitely, if I'm going to do more activities with them, because I just ordered a whole bunch of card making supplies to create cards with them. But in the future, I could really see doing something like this with them, because it's just such a fun, relaxing activity. It's very simple. So if you have no experience with diamond painting, the thing I love about this is that it's a project that you can try it and take away. And then if you love it, you can get into doing more in-depth projects. Like they have some big, beautiful diamond painting pictures that you can frame and put on the wall. So if you find that you just love this activity, you can try this out as sort of an experiment to see if it's something that you enjoy. So anyways, I'm so excited for this. Super cute. I mean, I find this a fun, relaxing activity to do as well. And I could see making these and putting them on gift baskets, or if you've seen my sand pails that I've been making, I'll show you. Here's the sand pails I've been making, and I could see, wrapping this up in cellophane and then dangling one of these keychain ornaments off the top of that. So I think that's a really fun idea as well. So anyway, I'll leave the link down below with the discount code as well if you're interested in placing an order at all. The shipping was really quick, and they've always been really great to deal with. I was so glad when they reached out to me and asked if I was interested in collaborating again. And as soon as I saw these little adorable Christmas gnomes, I was just like, yes, awesome. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.